Sa ulo ng mga nagbabagong balita, 6 na tropical storm paparating sa Pilipinas, mga mamamayan pinaghahanda.
Nagkulang ba ako? Tamid ba ako? Mabalitan ba ako?
It's the king of Accra on the beats.
Kahit san man maparating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi. Palagi.
Hello Philippines and hello world!
We were strangers starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you. No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Good afternoon. I'm Ryan, leader nila for today. Sige, so for today, I'm Ryan, leader nila for today. And this is my...
Ay, paano, pe?
Ay, mali!
Keep going, love is a river, I wanna keep going on.
Starting out on a journey.